Smile tan. Ay, ka-cute. Oy, pak. Pak. Awa, nasakit yung kamot.
Tawad lang sa 50 pesos.
Kablo ka din na siya ginapastress ni Jess. Tanan ginaalay dyan na siya ha.
Kani siguro din pagtumba na ko ganina ba? Kani
Ano natumba siya? Wala ni mo gialalayan, di katawan daw nimo natumba siya. Kalain po ni mo batasan oy.
Oh, ni daghan kay.
Dili katawa mo kuan kay. Yana kon ko ala natumba malina.
Wala siya gwapo. Matumba siya ka, Jess?
Pagbaba sa bangka, nabili na kong tiil. Nasabit. Visit din kayo.
Ah, saan ka natumba?
Atong pagbaba na sa bangka na.
So sa bangka, natumba ka?
Dili, nakababa na.
Baba nga niya. Tigang-tigang na lang. Napandol pa eh. Kanang murag nadala sa pag-anak sa wave ba pagbalik.
Ah. Nagigyan siya.
Sakit ka niya kung lubot.
Kubot ni Stanley.
Iya nga niya na nagikuan. Giwas away ako ang sinilas. Tuloy mo sinilas sa bugtag.
Yung pas.
Siya gupta-gupta. Wala layo na. Iya na di mo gitanaw na.
Basog ba daw? Muna love language. Oh, forgot the selfie stick again. Told you not to forget. We're back at Alona. Then you should have brought it.
And the supervision professionals. Accordingly, producers must insist that no one attempt to recreate or reenact any stunt.
Let's watch them then. For sure. I'm very bad with direction. Go to the other side.
I want to eat at 7-Eleven. I want to eat at 7-Eleven again. It's just that I want to. Oh, you want?
They have McDonald's here.
I want to eat Macdo after a while.
You can eat lots of McDo at home. Gusto ko ng shrimp. Wala na yun sa belly lechon. Surot na.
Kanya KKD na tali.
Okay. Table number please. Excuse me. Table number 1.
Garlic soil.
Gawa ka Sprite.
Sprite ko.
Sprite ko scooping.
Okay.
Kaya, naman may good shake.
One shake.
Jess. Gago man din.
Di na ka pwede makatog Davao.
Ayaw, uy. Ayaw, uy.
Oo.
Ang bawalan mo yung Davao, uy.
Taga-agari ka ano.
Black ba ako?
Himo implement sa Davao.
You guys said you were swim.
We were supposed to swim yesterday, but stomach ache kasi ako. I wanted to swim here.
Yeah,
This is so
there's a
good.
fit right there. Oh.
Wow, this looks good. Asa sila na picture? Traidor jud ka lang. Wala jud kay. May loyalty ba? Marid. Smile tan. Ay, ka-cute. Tara, let's go, let's go. Uwian na. Gani. Nasad ko na nagsakit akong tiyan gahapon. Mau ka swimming. Mau pa naman to akong plano. May naliwatan, Jay. Ay, sos. Tulak. Alam, isa lang. Cute man, isa. Lower, lower, lower. And we're going home. Are you excited to go home? No? Sayang, uy, hindi ako nakaswim sa pool. Joe, pwede na daw tayo magsakay sa van. Barbie. Yung chat. Walang french fries yun? Meron yun fries. Ay, baka nakalimutan ni Tita Mitch. Ito na lang. Jay, sadilya. Ako ni mahurot. Gamay mo sa picture good. Amin ako gana lang mo. I think 45 minutes.
How? We went here 30 minutes. How are we going back 45 minutes?
45.
That's why this is a bigger plane.
We're going home. Are you excited? Abby misses you.
Oh yeah, I'm excited.
She keeps saying, Kobe, Kobe, Kobe.
I'm gonna go to the very good like this.
Should give her the pasalubong. She'll be happy.
Yeah, she will. But I'm gonna give her the pasalubong later because she's gonna be like.
If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel, Travel with Miyaka, and click on the notification bell to be notified with our latest video. Thank you so much!